everybody, I have a new video for you today. I just realized the heat in the mirrors doesn't work anymore, and it's the same on both sides. The first thing I did was to check all the fuses in the fuse box. None of the fuses were gone, and when I start the car and try the switch, I can hear a relay switching. But I get no heat in the mirrors, and I tried with one of these. I can't feel any heat. To take off the mirror, I just use one of these. Now I will just use a voltmeter to check if there is any electricity on the contacts. And the car has to be running. And make sure the switch is on for heated mirrors. And we have power. Okay, so that means that the mirror has to be replaced. Everything on the car seems to work fine, it's just the mirror. Another way to check the heat element is to check the resistance. Here is the old one that doesn't work. That's showing 44.7 ohm. And let's just check a new one. 4.6 ohm. So that tells me that this one is broken. You can also just use a 12 volts battery and just make a test cable. This is not the right size for this cable, but I'm just going to use it for a test. So if the heat element was working now, this would start to heat up, but it's not. So that's the old one, so let's test this on the new one. I can also feel the heat in my hands. So now I know this new mirror is working fine. And now I can just install new mirrors on both sides. And now I can just push it straight in. This was a quite easy job. Now I just have to start the car and check that everything works fine. Let's just check the joystick first. That works fine. And now we just check the other side. And let's turn on the heat. Yes, that's working fine. Okay, so this is now fixed. And it's important this is working before a Norwegian winter. When I bought these parts, I wanted to buy this brand. But the dealer didn't have both sides of this brand in stock, so I had to buy this one on the left side. The price was about the same, but this brand is much more like the original. And this one actually gets a lot hotter than the other one. So when you buy parts for your car, don't buy this brand. I paid about $30 each for these two. But as I said, this one is just like the original, it was just the same. And I did call the local Volkswagen store here, but they wanted to have 180 each. So that just shows how much you can save by just checking around for prices. Also leave a comment and let me know what brand you usually buy for your car when you buy parts. And remember to subscribe. I also have some other car repair videos. You can check this one and this one. See you in the next video.